วัสดีค่ะ
Hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Oh, thank you. There's Panama. Big nightclub. Been there a long time. Swaddy Cup. How are you? Good. Home now. Yeah, I'll come back for a drink. Up and cup. Well, good afternoon, guys. Here we are back in Hua Hin doing a bit of a street walk. It's about 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the afternoon. We're going to take a little walk around Hua Hin and see what we can find today, eh? It's warm. It's probably about 28, 29, but the humidity's up there. I'll tell you that. It's bloody hot. So let's go and see what we can find. Welcome to the channel, everyone. I just do travel vlogs around Thailand, Bangkok usually, Hua Hin, all those types of places. Pattaya, Phuket, everywhere. Where I'm going. Swaddy Cup, how are you? So we're just walking down the main road, heading towards Bintabar, stuff like that. Check out those places, see what's going on. So we might cross over if we can, see what we can find. Nice little cafe there. I have noticed over the last couple of days, the last couple of years, that Hua Hin's becoming very, 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 a lot more posher sort of shops, a lot more yuppie shops and stuff like that. So where's this dude going? I don't know what he's doing. Let's quickly cross over while we can. This guy doesn't know what he's doing. Here he does, he's on his phone as well at the same time. Beautiful. Let's go down Damnik Kassam Road. Let's see what we can find down here. That's a City Surf hotel or whatever, that one, big one there. I think it's called City Surf, something like that. Only a 3-star. It's probably one of the original hotels that have been in Hua Hin. Not great, but it's a good location. Tailor suits, they're everywhere as per usual.
Oh, look, pal, I don't want to buy a suit.
How much for a suit and jacket? There you go, there's your prices there if you want to see that type of stuff. Not many people do, so we'll keep moving on. Another tailor up here, oh my god. So there's a hotel down here as well that I stayed at last time called Anchan Resort. Very nice. Beautiful pool, close to everything, close to Bintabar, all those types of places. But one thing it wasn't very good, and the missus wasn't too happy about, was that it didn't have an elevator. So you had to climb the stairs. I mean, there's only 3 levels, but, you know, every now and then you go up and down those stairs 5-6 times a day. Some people don't like it, but it didn't bother me. But it was there, good place, and pretty cheap too. I think it was about 40 or 50 bucks a night. Not bad. Heidi's Garden Restaurant. Haven't eaten there before. I mean, most of the restaurants will look empty at the moment because it's only about 4:30, as I said. Sweden restaurants. Thai boxing tonight. I've had breakfast here, Siam Food Club. I had breakfast in there once when I was here last time. It was pretty good actually and cheap. You can go there, and it's usually open because the Anchan where I stayed last time, as I said, doesn't serve breakfast, so you got to find somewhere to have something. All right, we're coming up to Bintabar now. Might go down there after. I don't think we'll go down there now because it's a bit probably empty, to be honest.
Bullshit!
Yeah, it looks empty. A bit empty. We'll go down there a bit after. We'll have a look. We'll have a look-see. Don't you worry, guys. We'll have a look down there.
You beauty.
Fafa Bar. You want to be careful on these streets. They're narrow. No such thing as footpaths, so you need to be careful. Coming from behind you and from in front of you. Be careful. Beach Club. Closed. Every time I see it, there's never anyone in it. It looks alright too. Every time I go there, closed. Now this is Anshan. Good location. Comfy beds, comfy rooms, nice swimming pool. It's got the English telephone box out the front, so everyone knows where it is. It's not bad, not bad. Keep going down a bit further, shall we? See, nearly got run over then again. Hello, sweaty cup. Whole heaps of bars and massage joints down here, so oh god, bloody risky. Hate doing these.
Work at a Thai massage parlor. I'm so good at sucking.
You guys love them, so I've got to keep doing them. Should we have a walk down here? Let's have a walk down this way. The bars are nice and quiet still. See what we can find. Beautiful day today. God, it was hot as though, man. I got burnt. Ay, ay, ay. Little Italy bar. Tap house bar. Hello, sweaty cup. Hello, sweaty cup. Chokdi bar and restaurant. Hello, sweaty cup. Sweaty cup. Quite a few pool tables and parties down here going on. That looks like an alright joint actually. Looks like a nice place.
Hello.
Hello, sweaty cup.
สวัสดีค่ะอุ้ยไอ้ใครพี่เอิร์
Hello, sweaty cup. Hello, sweaty cup. Oh, thank you. Hello, sweaty cup. Coming to a bit of a T intersection. So I've got harassed down there. What's down there? That's another alleyway with all the bars, isn't it? Which way do we go? Hello, pussycat. I think we might go down this way. This place is good. Yeah, hopefully I won't get harassed too much by guys and that cracking the shits that I'm filming, so there's no one's out yet. Well, not many people out anyway. There's Woody's Bar. BB Bar, Woody's Bar. He's a new Aussie dude that just bought a bar about a year ago. Sam Bar, Bonbon Bar. They're everywhere. It's fantastic. Nice. Sweaty Cup, how are you? Woody's Bar, Sweaty Cup. D&G Bar. Number 1 bar. They're everywhere. Sweaty Cup. Number 1. Yeah, they're all very quiet at the moment. Hello, Sweaty Cup. There's Panama. Big nightclub. Been there a long time. Billabong Bar. Still all empty. Strong Bar. Now the end of this street leads to, hello Sweaty Cup, to Sweet Winter Bar, the end. So we'll have a quick walk down there and hopefully I don't get harassed by anyone. Heaps of bars around here, man. Heaps of bars. Heaps. Now I think, yes, this is Soi Pintu Bay is the start of it. Let's take a quick walk down here. Hopefully that sunlight is not too good. Might actually walk down the other way. Oh no, it's not too bad now on the camera. Lenny's Bar. Pretty good bar that. Nice joint. Very nice joint. Sweaty Cup. Hello, Sweaty Cup. Get off the road so I don't get skittled. Let's see, so we've been to bar very quiet early on. It's, as I said, it's about 4:30, so there's not much going on. Dragonfly restaurant there. There's some cooking up some food. Sweaty Cup, how are you? Good.
Where you go?
Home now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come back for a drink.
Yeah, thank you.
Up and cup. Nice and easy bar. Been in their cat bar and garden too. That's a pretty cool place. Very cool place. Had a few drinks there last time, I think it was. Yeah, it was last time. Nice place. Good people too, man. They look after you. Oh my God, he's got elephant pants on. No. Get him off. Hopefully that sun glare is not too bad for you guys. It's pretty bad at the moment. Bad time of the day to come down, I suppose. So, but anyway, it's all good. So we'll go down over here. I think we'll go around the corner this time. See what we can find down there. Or will I leave it here and make another one? Maybe I will. We'll leave it there, guys. Make another video after. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around if you want to see more videos from Hua Hin and Bangkok and Pattaya and Phuket and all those types of places. I appreciate you all watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next one. Now, Sweaty Cup.